I would like to tell you that the government has taken a decision. Please note down very clearly. The government today has taken a decision that dispose of the dead bodies from now on, will be allowed only up to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Dispose of the dead bodies should be done on or before of 2 p.m. every day. This order will come into force immediately. Both COVID cases as well as non-COVID cases. And it will be applicable. This will be applicable for the entire state.